Okay guys, so today we will be making a yellow breadfruit curry with cabbage and carrot. Okay, so I already prepped my breadfruit. I cut it up. I have it soaking in some salted water here. So this is already prepped. And what I'm going to do now is cut my carrot, my cabbage. I'm going to also be using one yellow onion, and I'm also going to be using some fresh turmeric from my garden. I harvested this from my garden and I stored it. If you're interested in seeing how I did that, I would leave a video either on the end screen or in the description showing you how I harvest and store my turmeric. Of course, the star of our dish today will be our yellow curry paste, okay? And I will also be putting some ginger and garlic paste as well. All right, so let's get to cutting our carrot up, okay? So I'm just gonna have this carrot, and I'm gonna cut my carrot on the bias. So to make it easier so my carrot doesn't roll, I'm going to square the bottom piece so that I can put it flat down like that, and in that way it would move, or rather it won't roll. All right, let me get to cutting the rest of the carrot and then I'll be back. All right, so let's cut now some cabbage to go along with our curry breadfruit. Not much, I won't do too much. All right, so this is what we're going to do. This is the cabbage here. All right, so now we have our onion. So I'm just going to half the onion like that, put it down. Wait, let me just take off. I find this top skin looks a bit. Remove the top skin here. Don't like how the color looks. I think this one looks okay. All right, so we're just going to cut up some onion here now. But you know what? Let me cut it down to half again. All right, so for the turmeric, what I would do is I'm just going to grate some of the turmeric right here in my pan where I have all my prepped vegetables, or the French term for this is mise en place. I don't want to go too close and damage my hand. Alright, so guys, this is my mise en place for my, well, I should add the breadfruit in too, for our yellow curry breadfruit with cabbage and carrots. So the first thing we're going to do is put some oil in our wok here. Put a little more because we have to fry up our onions and our garlic ginger paste. Alright, so I'm going to put in my onions, put in some ginger garlic paste, and let's just saute this to bring out the flavor of the aromatics. I can smell the ginger already, very fragrant. And the onions actually burning my eye. Right, I'm now going to add my yellow curry paste to cook with some coconut cream. My eyes are burning, wow. That onion is very strong. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of the yellow curry paste. All right. I'm going to add our milk to it. So we just want to cook to help to bring out the flavor again of the curry paste. We're just going to cook it like this a little bit. So we're just using, like we're using the cream of the coconut to help to cook the paste, to sort of accentuate the flavors. I'm also going to add in my grated turmeric. See if I can get this on my spoon. Right, I'm going to add that in. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my breadfruit. Right, I'm going to add in my carrots and my cabbage as well. Right, let's give this a stir. Actually, let me add in the coconut milk now. So it has coconut milk, so it will be able to cook. I'm going to stir everything together now. Now, to keep with this yellow curry theme, instead of using salt, I will use fish sauce to add the saltiness to this. So I will allow this to cook, and then I will taste to see if it needs any salt, and I will use fish sauce in order to provide that saltiness. All right, so we're going to cover this, and we're going to allow it to soften. Okay, so I'm going to put a little fish sauce in this. What I would tell you guys, fish sauce does not smell nice, but it does taste nice when you cook with it. So our breadfruit still has to soften up. So let's cover it again. Now guys, if you need to add more water to cook your breadfruit, by all means, do that.